Good morning, boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've got your notebooks and that you're ready to learn. Today we're going to learn about mixtures. Our learning objective is 3.5D. Repeat after me, please. I will be able to recognize that a mixture is created when two materials are combined. Great job, boys and girls. Today, tell me that you like trail mix. Do you like trail mix?
Yeah!
All right, today we're going to make a mixture of trail mix. In your notebooks, I want you to list 2 ingredients that you would like to add to make your trail mix. Quickly, those are peanuts. These are roasted peanuts. We have raisins, almonds, M&Ms, cashews, yogurt, raisins, and peanut M&Ms. Quickly. All right. Thank you, boys and girls. Joshua, what 2 things did you choose?
Honey roasted nuts and small M&Ms.
Okay, and why did you choose those?
Because that one's small and you get more. And those ones are just good.
Very good.
So
Okay. So you chose for flavor and you chose for so that you could get more quantity, right? Okay, Joshua, would you scientifically use your measuring tool correctly to get, don't put it back in, and do your peanuts as well? Leah, what did you choose?
I choose yogurt raisins and onions.
And why did you choose yogurt raisins?
Because they look good.
They look good, okay. So we chose for the looks, and you hope they're delicious, right? And you chose M&Ms because? They taste, they're one of your favorites. Okay, so, Dallin, what about you?
I chose peanuts and small M&Ms.
Okay, can you please each, using our measurement, scientifically put them in your bag. And tell me what this reminds you of.
A mixture.
Correct, because a mixture is 2 materials that are combined. Joshua, you've combined yours, correct? And you have a mixture, okay?
Yep.
Okay, another thing about mixtures is that they can be easily separated by physical means. What did I just say?
Physical separated by physical means.
Okay, so they can be separated by physical means. So how can we separate the mixtures we just made? Can you separate them in your bags, please?
Yeah.
How did you separate them? How are you separating
By
them?
look and size.
By look and size. Perfect.
Texture.
By texture. Those are all called what? We've done this like for the last couple of weeks. Those are all called physical characteristics. Very good. Very good. So we can separate by texture, by size, by color. What else can we separate by?
Taste.
Taste, if we wanted to do that.
Filters.
Okay, very good. Okay, boys and girls, you did that
definition.
excellently.
I'll tell you that for you.
Okay, you may not eat these yet, but you may take them with you to lunch. Would you zip them up and set them to the side, please?
Okay.
Okay, tell me what a mixture is, please.
When 2 things are combined.
Okay, not only combined, but we've now added that they can be easily separated by a physical means, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, please, in your notebook, write down what we've done so far. Okay, tell me how you did your trail mix. Very good, boys and girls. Excellent. Okay, I'm going to move these, and we're going to move on to our DOL to see if we've mastered what a mixture is. Okay, boys and girls, as a group, you each have rocks, sand, and salt in front of you. Using your tools, I want one person to get 5 rocks out, one person to measure sand, and one person to measure salt. Okay, please do it like we've taught you. Make sure it's level across the top. Okay, you can use your pencil or whatever to level it. Hand it over, everybody. What are we making, boys and girls? What is this called?
A mixture.
A mixture, okay? And why is it a mixture?
Because we're the 2 things combined.
Because we're combining 2 or more things. Okay, this mixture is a little tricky. No, you got to put a little bit more in there. It's not level, okay? Remember, it has to be level. Okay, now boys and girls, mix it up. It says if it's a mixture, it can be separated by physical means. Boys and girls, talk as your groups and tell us how we're going to separate our
You
mixture.
will take out the rocks,
Okay?
then you will pour water in there, and then make the evaporate, and then the sand will be left over. No. Second, you put the sand through a beaker, and then you put water and the salt, and then let it evaporate, and then you separate all three.
So, your prediction is that we take out the rocks physically, right? Leah, you can do that, please? Take out the rocks. Okay, and then what are we doing? What about this beaker salt stuff? Tell me again.
Get a beaker and pour the mixture through. No.
A beaker is you know what a beaker is?
No. The beaker thing.
It's a container, a
No.
science container.
No, I know. No. You get a cup, put
What?
water in there.
You want to put water in there. And what's the water going to do?
Evaporate the salt.
It-
Dissolve the salt.
It will dissolve the salt. And
And then the sand is left over, and then you take out the sand through a filter.
ooh, we could try that, boys and girls. Good thinking. Good thinking. We will try that. Okay, boys and girls, to finish our DOL, I have some slides on your paper. Please write 1 through 4. I will show you these slides, and then you will tell me if they're a mixture or not. And then you will tell me why they are a mixture. Are we good?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, here we go. Number 1, mixture or not. Please don't shout out. Please write down M for mixture, and then tell me why it's a mixture. If it's not a mixture, tell me why it's not a mixture. Okay? Very good. Okay, let's try the next one. Everybody's done?
Almost.
Mixture or not a mixture? Okay, and tell me why. Give me that supporting evidence that tells me why it's a mixture or not a mixture. Okay? Very good, boys and girls. And let's do our third one. Look at that. Is that a mixture or not a mixture? And tell me why. And our last one, boys and girls. Oh, I'm rushing you just a little. Is this a mixture or not a mixture? And tell me why. Okay, thank you very much, boys and girls. Close up your notebook and we'll clean up, and then we'll talk about what we just did as our closing. Are mixtures just food, boys and girls?
No.
No, mixtures can be found anywhere, everywhere. Look around our classroom. Can you name me some mixtures? Yes, we have a mixture of faith, family, and friends. We have a mixture of paints. We have a mixture of books. We have a mixture of writings on our board. We have a lot of mixtures all around us. But remember, what's the special property about a mixture?
That when everybody more things are combined.
Yes, 2 or more things are combined, but they also have to be
Separated by physical means.
able to be separated by physical means. So today, as you go through your day, look around and see how many mixtures you can find, okay? Thank you very much.